Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you. Happy and well. So in today's video, felt fabric crafts ideas. I will share you so friends. So I hope you like my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, cute felt flower for home decor. Today we are making super easy felt flowers. Cut small circle of the felt, fold them in half and glue them edges. Attach them to a felt base and your flowers are ready, perfect for warmth, hair clips or gift wrapping. Dye felt keychain. Let's make retro felt keychains. Cut your favorite shapes, heart, star or clouds. Swing or glue them edges, add a little stuffing and attach a keyring. A cute and simple gifts ideas for friends. Felt bookmark. Make your reading time extra special with felt bookmark. Cut long strip, add shapes like heart or flowers on top. You can stitch them for a classical look or just glue or quick results, perfect for book lovers. Felt coaster. Dye felt coaster and are quick and practical. Cut around or square shapes from thick felt. Layer two colors together for a fun look. This coaster protects your table and looks so pretty. Felt garland. Brighten up any space with a felt garland. Cut stars, circle or hearts from felt, string them together and hang. Perfect for parties, kids' room or festive decor. Felt animal fingers puppet. Let's make cute felt fingers puppet for kids. Cute cut front and back pieces in animal shapes. Fingers glue the side and add tiny felt eyes and ears or for fun storytelling. Gathered felt mini bags. Small felt bags are